Hello friends, in this video I want to show you how to insert double horizontal line in your MS Word document. So to insert a double horizontal line, there is very simple and super easy method. Just you need to press 3 times equal sign on your keyboard like this, then press enter. That's it. So very simple and super easy method. Just you need to press 3 times equal sign, then press enter. That's it. So hopefully friends you like this video. By this quick method we can know how to insert easily this double horizontal line. Just type 3 times equal sign, then press enter. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.